Hi everyone, welcome to Sutra Online. So today I am going to teach about graph of polynomials. Graph of polynomials. So this graph of polynomial, so in 10th class SSC polynomial chapter, it is very important. So 4 marks question is there in graph based on graph of polynomial. So 4 mark question compulsory they will ask in exam. Okay, so now today we will discuss about graph of polynomials. Today we will discuss about graph of polynomials. So now first of all I will discuss about quadratic polynomial graph. Yes, quadratic polynomial graph I will discuss. So for example, draw the graph of polynomial. So now draw the graph of polynomial f of x or p of x. F of x is equals to x square plus 3x minus 4 and find the zeros of polynomial. Find the zeros of polynomial. So it is the question. Draw the graph of polynomial. So polynomial is what? F of x equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. Now and find the zeros by using graph. By using graph we can say zeros. See now here, first of all before draw the graph, so we have to do rough work. That is, so given polynomial zeros are, what are the zeros? Here x square plus 3x minus 4 is there, no? So that polynomial zeros rough work we need to do. So here I am taking x square plus 3x minus 4. Now 1 into minus 4 minus 4. Here middle term plus 3 is there. That can be written as plus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 plus 4 minus 1 plus 3. Now I am taking x square, so plus 4x minus x minus 4. Now here I am taking x common here and here. X common, x into x plus 4. Here minus 1 common, x plus 4. Here x plus 4, here also x plus 4 is there. Now I am taking x plus 4 common. So x plus 4 common into x minus 1 equal to 0. Sorry, equal, now this one. To get zeros, now x plus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 1 equal to 0 we can take. So it is x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to plus 1. Now minus 4 comma 1 are the zeros. Now these zeros we need to find from graphically. So it is rough work. It is rough work only. Now we need to find from graph zeros are minus 4 and 1 we need to say. Okay. Now so starting, so compulsory you have to follow these steps. So starting, so now given polynomial f of x equals to, given polynomial f of x is equals to, I am taking x square plus 3x minus 4. Now it is a polynomial. This polynomial, let y equal to x square plus 3x minus 4. So this is polynomial. Now table. So first one table. So in this table, see like this you draw table. Okay. So here x, here y, Y means polynomial. X square plus 3x minus 4. That is Y. Now here x is equal to, see, listen. Here in these boxes we can take. Now every time we can take minus 3 to plus 3. See, I am taking minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next one, so extra how many numbers we can take means, here zeros, what we got? X equal to minus 4 and x equal to 1. From rough work, zeros we got minus 4 and 1. 1 already in box it is there. So minus 4 we got. But minus 4 in this graph not there. So extra we have to include that minus 4 in this graph. So now extra we have to include. Yes. So now extra number is minus 4. Minus 4. Yes. Actually minus 3 to plus 3 I am taking. But minus 3 to plus 3 from rough work we got minus 4 comma 1. 1 in this box is there. Minus 4 not there. That's why extra minus 4 included. Now x equal minus 3. Substitute here. X equal minus 3. Substitute here. Then we will get y. Y you write here. And x equal minus 2. Substitute here. Y equal something will get. Like that. So these all x value substitute here. Will get y value. So now I am taking here. So y equals to, first of all, x equal minus 3. Minus 3 whole square plus 3 into minus 3 minus 4. Now it is minus 3 whole square. Nothing but plus 9. Plus 9. So here 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So it is minus 4. Now plus 9 minus 9 cancel. Minus 4. Y equal minus 4. If x equal minus 3, y equal minus 4. Next, and again, see, x is equal minus 2. Now minus 2 whole square plus 3 into minus 2 minus 4. Minus 2 whole square plus 4. Now it is 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Again it is minus 4. Okay? 4 minus 4 cancel. So now plus 4 minus 4 cancel. Here 6. Y equal minus 6. Then write here, if x equal minus 2, y equal minus 6. Again x is equal minus 1 I am taking. Y equals to x equal minus 1. So minus 1 whole square plus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Now minus 1 whole square plus 1. Here 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Then write minus 3. So minus 4. Now here minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. Here 1 there. So it is minus 6. So y equal to minus 1. Then y equal minus 6 only. Next. So x equal to 0. Then substitute here. X equal to 0 means it is 0 square plus 3 into 0 minus 4. So now it is 0 square 0. 3 into 0 0. So totally minus 4. Now if x equal to 0, y equal to minus 4. Again x is equal to 1. Then substitute here x equal to 1. So this no need ma. It is rough work only. Now x is equal to I am taking 1. Then y equals to 1 whole square plus 3 into 1 minus 4. Now it is 1. Now here 3 into 1 3. 1 plus 3 minus 4. Now 1 plus 3 4. 4 minus 4 0. So x is equal to 1. Y equal to 0. 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. That's why y value 0 we got. Now x equal to 2. So it is 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 4. Now it is plus 4. 3 2s are 6 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So y equal 6. So if x is equal to y equal plus 6. So plus 6. Again x is equal to 3. So y is equals to 3 square plus 3 into 3 minus 4. Now 3 square 9. 3 into 3 9 minus 4. So 9 plus 9 18. 18 minus 4 14. So it is 14. X is equal to 3. Y equal to 14. Now x equal to minus 4. Now again x is equal to minus 4 I am taking. Then y equal to, we need to get So y equal to minus 4 whole square plus 3 into minus 4. So minus 4. Now minus 4 whole square 16. Minus 4 whole square. So it is 16. Now 3 into minus 4. So minus 12. Minus 4. So 16 minus 12 minus 4. Minus 16. 16 minus 16 0. So here x equal minus 4. Y equal 0. Now it is 0. So that's why see at x equal 1 y value 0. At x equal minus 4 y value 0. So that's why 1 comma minus 4 are the zeros. 1 comma minus 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Now so we have to draw the graph. So now it is complete my table. After this one, see after table, so next we have to write, so for a table, next order pair. So next one order pairs. Keep writing order pairs. So in this one order pairs nothing but x y order pairs. Then write those order pairs. So x comma y order pair. This is equals to minus 3 comma minus 4. Minus 3 comma minus 4. Next minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6. Next minus 1 comma minus 6. Again 0 comma minus 4. So again 1 comma 0. Again 2 comma 6. Next one 3 comma 14. Okay, now it is x, it is y. Minus 4 comma 0. So these are the order pairs. So next one result. Next keep writing result. So what will get result? This. So this result we should write from graph. So after draw the graph we can write the result. Okay. Now in graph sheet. So it is. So in graph sheet it is ruled line. So in graph paper. We should draw the graph. So now I will draw the graph. Okay. Now first table complete, order pairs, result. So this result will write from the graphically. Now so I am taking x axis. So it is x axis. It is y axis. Y axis. It is x axis. So this one x dash. It is y dash. Now on the graph, so we can write, see it is 0 comma 0. Now on the x axis x numbers minus 3 to, see minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 minus 4. So here graph is there ma 1 centimeter, 1 unit equal to 1 centimeter. So like this from here to here 1 unit. So 1 2 3 4. So this side minus 1. It is minus 2. It is minus 3. Minus 4. So 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit on the x axis. On the x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On the y axis, see here highest number 14, least number minus 6. So that's why if you take 1 centimeter 1 unit, so this graph is not sufficient. So that's why I am taking 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. In a graph box is there like square box. That 1 centimeter, it will be 1 centimeter. That 1 centimeter I am taking so 2 units. So that's why now it is 1 centimeter 2. Next to 4. Next to 6. 8. 10. 12. So it is 14. Same on the negative y axis. So it is minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, like that we can take. So now after x and y axis we can take units on the x-axis and the y-axis. So it is important. How to take it is very important. Because of x on the x-axis, okay, every time same 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. On the y-axis, it is depending on, see this y value. Here y value highest 14 is there. So that's why I am taking 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So this graph like this it will be square box. That is 1 centimeter. That 1 centimeter I consider 2 units. I consider 2 units. That's why see here to here 2 unit. Here to here 2. Here to here 4 units. Okay. Now plot the points on the graph sheet. So these order pairs we have to plot on the graph sheet. So first one -3 comma -4. -3 comma -4 is there. Now x -3 y coordinate -4. See x -3 y -4. Then x negative y negative here. So here we need to get here x -3 y -4. So like this we can get. Next again second order pair -2 comma -6. X -2 y -6. See x equal -2 y equal -6 here is there. Then here we can take that plotting point. Next x is equal to -1 y equal to -6. X is equal to -1 y equal to -6. Then same only. Next x equal to 0 y equal to -4. X 0 y -4. Here x coordinate 0. It is lies on y axis. Then here. Next again x equal 1 y equal 0. X coordinate 1 y 0. Y coordinate 0 means it is lies on x axis. Then here 1 comma 0 here. Again 2 comma 6. X coordinate 2 y coordinate 6. X 2 y 6. Then here we can take x coordinate 3 y coordinate 14. So x equal to 3 y equal to 14. Then we can take this is 3 comma 14. Again my x -4 y 0. Y 0 means lies on x axis. -4 comma 0 here like this. Now so these points with free hands, not scale. With free hands join these all points. With free hands join these all points. Now I will join these all points. See with free hands. Now join like this. See with free hands only. No need to take scale. With free hands it is a curve. It is a parabolic curve. We can draw. See extra we can take some points. That's why you have to keep arrow symbol. So if x equal to, if you take next number it will increase. That's why we can keep arrow mark compulsory. So it is the graph of the polynomial x square plus 3x minus 4. So it is quadratic polynomial. It is U-shaped curve. It is U-shaped curve. Okay, now open curve. We can say it is open curve also. Now see this curve. Here plotting points you take as a circle. It's better. Like this you can keep circle symbol. Where it is point is there, then you keep circle symbol. So to see it is very nice. Now again, so you write that curve and x-axis intersecting at some point. So here curve x-axis intersecting here. That point order pair you should write. This order pair is -4 comma 0. So again this curve intersecting x-axis here 1 comma 0. Next one. So you write this curve name. This curve name is so x square plus 3x minus 4. This curve name x square minus 3x minus 4. Compulsory you write these conditions. So here circle symbol and this curve intersect the x-axis at -4 comma 0 and at 1 comma 0. You write this curve name. x square plus 3x minus 4, curve name also. Next one, so from that graph, see, I told result, we need to write result. What is the result? Result means answer. So that result is now here from the graph. So from the graph, the curve intersect the x-axis, the curve intersect the x-axis, intersect the x-axis at minus 4 comma 0, at minus 4 comma 0 and at 1 comma 0, at 1 comma 0. So therefore the zeros are, from the graph the zeros are, okay, now from the graph only we need to say zeros. From the graph the zeros are, zeros, what are the zeros? X number only, minus 4 and 1. Zeros are, so in this bracket minus 4 comma 1. These are the zeros. These are the zeros of this polynomial from graphically. See, the curve and x-axis where it is intersecting, those are the zeros. Yes. At last, next one. So at last we have to write verification also. At last we should write verification. Then, so verification, see, it is first subheading, second subheading, third subheading. So next, fourth subheading is verification. Fourth subheading is verification. So verification means, so given polynomial substitute minus 4 comma 1. In given polynomial, so substitute x equal minus 4, then f of minus 4 0 will get, and x equal to take 1, f of 1 is 0 will get. So that is the verification. That is the verification. So it is the graph of quadratic polynomial. So it is very, very important. In SSC exam, it is very, very important how to draw the graph from, find the zeros from graphically. So you need to remember these conditions. Okay na? So table, order pair, result, verification. This verification important. Next, in graph sheet, compulsory you write scale. You write scale on x-axis. On x-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. On x-axis, 1 centimeter 1 unit. On y-axis, 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So these all we should write ma. These all we should write compulsory. For scale half mark. In exam for scale, if you won't write scale, then half mark will deduct. Okay, everything we should write. So like this you write means 4 marks question. Thank you. For more videos of 10th class, please subscribe Sutra online app. Thank you.